Sili ka dyan.
Uy ba? Wow! Ay, grabe! Ay, grabe! Freebies. Ping. Wow. Okay. Okay. So, dito naman tayo sa 12 mini something. So, okay. Next, dito tayo sa 12 mini adventures. Okay. So, kaya itong mga to. Grabe, individually wrapped. Oh, parang mga testers. Ah, nice. Pang travel. Oh, this is cute. Nice. Kapag ka mabilisan ka lang na, mga overnight, ganyan, at least yan. Gusto ko yung bottles. So, and then they gave me 2 of these. So, parang freebie siya pag may na-reach ka na minimum. And then, this one is... I was planning to buy this! Yay! Lip balm! Ooh! Happiness! And then, this one is... Ooh, what is this? I don't know what this is. This is the first time that I saw this. Yeah. Don't know. So, third na yon, pang fourth. Ah! Hand cream! Nice. Love it. Galing na ganito ni Kiehl's. So, that's fourth item. Fifth item. Apakasaya so far. Okay. I already have this. So, this is cool. Nice. And yay. So, also good for traveling. That's the 5th item. 6th item. Oh, nice. Oh, perfect then for traveling. Good, good, good. 6th item. Punong-puno na po ako ng toner. 7. So, I have this, and then I also have smaller ones. Cute. Good thing, hindi ako bumili ng toner. So, What's the 7th item? Oh, this is a little big. Perfect. Nice one. Yay. Cream. Good. 8. 9th item. I hope they have something for the eyes. Ayan! Ah, hindi pala. Sorry. I thought. Ha! But it's good though. Okay. And then here. Another cream. Ay, ganun ba ako? Pares ba sila? Yeah. I think so. Oh. Mommy, baby, ha! And then, so that's different from... Ah! Okay, I already have 2. Nice. And then, another one. Ayan! They have one for the eyes. Yeah. Like avocado cream something. That's nice. This is 14 ml. So, coolness. And then, mga pang isang taong mahigit ko na siguro to. And then, yeah, they also have one for the eyes. Yeah, this is good. And then last one is nice. They also gave me this one. A mask, face mask. So, yeah. Gaganon mo siya sa face mo. Ayan. So, 12 items ba siya? 1. Basta 12 yan. So, let's see if it's the same with the other one. It's the same with this one. Because I have another one. So, is it different? Okay, so bukas ulit tayo. So, wait lang. Check mo nga ito. Ito yung isa. Ito yung sa 12 na free. Okay. And then, let's see if it's the same. Yep, 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Look at all these. Stop.